Hey y'all, it's Madaline Hudson with Town Country REALTORS. I've had the opportunity to guide people in their real estate journeys for 10 years now. This decade has been rewarding for a variety of reasons. Being able to help serve families, growing my own business to support my family, and having a culture like Town Country to be a part of. I've had the opportunity to help over 250 families achieve their real estate goals. It hasn't always been easy, but you've got to do the little things and get the details right. If you want to grow your business, you have to find a process that works for you, invest in yourself, and show up, and most importantly, be available to your clients. Whether you're buying $1 million house or your first home, you're going to get the same service. I pride myself on giving the same customer experience to all of my clients. As a born and raised Jacksonian, I've seen every market and can be a resource to a town that's going to continue to grow for the foreseeable future. I have a background in restaurant management, 20 years actually, and the original plan was to become a real estate agent. But life happens and has a funny way of taking you along a journey to get to your destination. I can't imagine being a realtor at another firm. Town & Country has a family-like atmosphere that promotes growth and camaraderie amongst its agents. The leadership has integrity and its values align with my own. I have the support and resources I need to better my processes, adapt to changing markets, and most of all, serve my clients to the best of my ability. If you're looking to buy or sell, call someone who has better marketing, better service, and gets you better results. So call me today at 731-697-8900 or 731-668-7000.